Now this is massive. You can see lots of people just down here, and they look like tiny little ants. This joint, it's pretty amazing. It feels so good to be back out right now, and we are starting this adventure right here at Cheshunt in the King Valley. Oh, not everything goes to plan on your trips. I just noticed as we come around the corner on our way up to Paradise Falls that my awning was hanging off the side. Oh, strap that down. Minutes for a 500 metre walk. They quite often overestimate how long it takes for these walks. So 30 minutes for this 500 metre walk, I'm doubting. We started this walk at 3:04 p.m. Let's see how long it takes. On the back and his tail. Yeah, right. Imagine the power of these falls in flood. Little mini adventure while we're up at Paradise Falls. Thanks, mate. Rocks. You can see lots of people just down here, and they look like tiny little ants. I don't know whether you can hear, but you can actually hear through the rocks up behind me, this massive rock wall, water. It's like there's a river flowing through the rocks. It's pretty awesome to hear.
is it? Daniel.
Looks like he's pooed his pants. Hey? Turn around. Yeah, it's not poo, but... Oh, so we've just got back from our walk from Paradise Falls. We were down there for ages, but the walk itself was pretty easy getting down there. It took us 10 minutes, not even that, with 2 young kids. We stuffed around down there for ages. There's quite a few people out. And probably took us 10-15 minutes to get back. So we were gone for about an hour. We're now on our way to Powers Lookout, and hopefully we can catch a nice sunset over there. Let's go. Taylor, what did you reckon? What are we doing now? More steps?
Yeah, more steps. We'll be dreaming about steps.
You've been dreaming about steps, eh? Hello.
Hi, Dad. Wow, look. What a good way to end the day.
That is up here at Powers Lookout. An awesome, absolutely awesome way to finish our day exploring up through the King Valley. We've been out making memories and hoping to inspire you to go and create your own memories. So until next time, go on adventure, discover and explore every road.